5-minute English speaking practice. Topic: Daily conversation practice. Part 1, Introduction, speak slowly. Hello, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. My name is Ria. I am learning English speaking. I want to speak English fluently. I practice English every day. Practice makes me better. I am confident. I can speak English. Part 2, Morning routine. I wake up early in the morning. First, I drink a glass of water. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I take a bath. I wear clean clothes. My mother prepares breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat poha or paratha. I drink tea or milk. Then I start my work. Part 3, Daily activities. I like to stay busy. I use my phone for learning English. I watch English videos on YouTube. I learn new words every day. I also practice speaking in front of a mirror. At first I felt shy, but now I feel confident. Mistakes are normal. I am improving day by day. Part 4, Conversation practice. A. Hello, how are you? B. I am fine. What about you? A. I am good too. What are you doing? B. I am practicing English speaking. A. That's great. How long do you practice? B. I practice for 1 hour every day. A. Very nice. Keep practicing. B. Thank you for motivating me. Part 5, Motivation practice. I believe in myself. I can learn English. I am not afraid of speaking. Every day is a new chance to improve. I will speak English confidently. I will never give up. Success comes with practice. One day, I will speak fluent English. Part 6, Closing. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this session. Keep speaking English every day. See you again soon. Have a wonderful day.